Hey, this guy back with another pack opening today. Paldea Evolved. Let's get into it. I don't think I've opened too many of these guys, so I don't exactly know what the chase cards are, but I'm excited to find out. Phalanx, Combi, Jigglypuff, Girafarig, Luxio. I love this evolution line. Illuminous Energy, Bombardier, Fletchling Reverse. Oh, look at that shine. Tadbulb Reverse. That shine there. I see a little rainbow at the bottom. That's probably just a holo. Yeah, holo Baxcalibur. Don't think I have it for my master set, so I'll take it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.